everyone, this is Angel. Today we are going to talk about investment. So I would like to share my journey in investing in stock market. As you can see, I've invested in Etoro. I'm not advertising or promoting Etoro, or this company doesn't pay me for making this video. I just like to share my experience in investing in stock market. At first, I was a really bad investor because I bought with leverage and I closed it. I closed trades with red. The bad thing about it is if you close in red, you will never have the chance to recover your loss anymore because you close already. For example, this one I have red right here. If I close this, I will never have I will no longer have a chance to recover my loss because I've closed it. But if I leave it like that, if the market went up, if the market spikes up, if these stocks will spike up, then I will recover this negative. So I will leave it like that. What I did before was I've invested in cryptocurrency, in Bitcoin, and other altcoins. I was so happy seeing them green, and I didn't even sold it when they were green. And then red day comes, all those altcoins went to red. And what I did, I get panicked and I sell everything. And I sell everything, I close everything. No, I actually didn't sell. I close. I close everything. I close every reds. So I lost money, if you can see in my history. So this this is the amount that I've lost in my in the past months. It's because of the cryptocurrencies that I closed in red, and there's another instrument that I've invested in, which is Rolls Royce. It's not a cryptocurrency. It's a stocks. So I bought this Rolls Royce. This Rolls Royce. Yes, this I bought Rolls Royce with the price of 74, and I get panic. It went down from 74. It was 74 back then. It was October. It went further down from 74 to 64, I think, 62, like that. And then I closed it. Worst part is I bought it with leverage. It was crazy. I didn't absorb about leverage at that time. Leverage means is, let me just show you. Leverage means if you bought leverage and invested for $100, and if you put leverage 2 or leverage 5s, if you bought worth $100 and you put times 2 or times 5 leverage 2 or leverage 5, if the market went up, you will have times 5, times 2 or times 5. And if the market went down, you will fall times 2 or times 5. So I'm not recommending this. Well, if you're a risk taker, you can do it, but I will not gonna do it anymore. Just for safety and for, of course, as a beginner, I don't recommend leverage. Well, you have to be really sensible about using leverages. So yeah, so I closed it and I lost money. So yeah, it added up right here. And until now, it's there. Unless I close some open position here. For example, if I close this, if I close this too, the negative will disappear because I recovered it. But I will not gonna do that because I wanted to earn more. I have faith that it can go more than 29.50, more than that. So I don't want to close it. And besides, I'm having 235 profit, which is more than my negative. So it's okay. I will just leave it like that. I will probably close some position here when it goes up next year. I will close some position just to cover this negative right here. But I will not gonna do it today, or probably next year I will. Might close positions just to cover that up. But so far, if we can see in my portfolio right here, well, there's a green up here, so that means I'm recovering. So yeah, my portfolio is up for 70.53% the past week. And yeah, there's a lot of gainings. Yeah, there's another four right here. There's a lot of gainings, and I'd like to show you my failure. Well, not don't really call it failure because I've learned from it. Well, everybody makes mistake as a beginner. You can never make things perfect at first. So you are in the process of learning. If you're new to something, you will definitely learn new things. So yes, I was -5 last October. It was the first time I opened my account here in Etoro. And I was in the process of learning. And then November it gets lesser. This is because of the Bitcoin, and this is because of Rolls Royce. So you will see the impact of the leverage and closing in reds. This one, if I didn't close the red, if I only close my trades in green, this will never appear. It will probably green right here. I will be green right here if I only close the cryptocurrencies trades in green. But yeah, I'd become greedy actually because I would like to make it more. But the thing is, I get panic, and that's actually your enemy. When you're investing in stock market, you will learn how to control your emotions. So, well, as you can see now, I'm learning to control my emotions. So I'm gaining 12.31. You see, it's not even bad. Um, this stage, I was really, really, really impulsive. So, especially October. So I was really impulsive right here, less impulsive right here, not impulsive anymore. So if you're seeing stocks that are in red, don't get panic because it will definitely recover in the future days. Don't close, don't sell, just go out and have a fresh air. It will somehow recover. And yeah, it always depends on you how much you want to invest and how much you want to risk. And yes, you really have to be sensible and you really have to control your emotions. Never close trades when it's red. You wait a bit until it goes up, and then it's up to you if whether you want it to when it recovers. It's up to you whether you want to close it or you want to keep it or you want to sell it. It's all up to you. But for me, I trust my assets. Well, stocks will go down if there's another pandemic, but I hope there's no more. So then companies will recover because there's a lot of companies that are just recovering as of now. So I hope this pandemic will end soon. This is my average score of the last 7 days. So I've reached 7 maximum risk, but so far so good. That's in this section. You will see the profit in percentage. The value is right here. These are my available balance, and these are my total allocated money, which I distributed here in these stocks. So all of this are total of 1,476. And these are my profit from all of this. And this is the worth total of all of this. Yeah, this are the profit for percentage. So what I did is when I'm buying stocks, see this I bought it last 27 November. So I bought this stocks when it was really in deep red. It was back then it was 273 and now it's 354. So I got a lot of earnings and here as well. It's 275 and 374. So you will see Trevin. So you will see here 375 and see 373. So you can see in the chart. It was November 27. Oopsie. It was November 27. It was right here. It was much lesser here, but I catch the dip right here. And now it's in right here in this price. It's 470, 475 right here, probably right here, and right here. And now the price is up here. So not bad. So I would like to keep it. I would like to bullish Roku. So what I normally do is buying stocks when they're in red. You don't buy when it's green, of course, because you might have a chance to lose or wait for over time to recover, especially when it drops really low. I would suggest if you buy stocks when it's in red. Of course, you have to study the stocks that you are about to invest in. I would recommend to invest in the company you trust, or or you should study or might as well study the company that you want to invest in, or company that is ideally to invest in. So I think that's all for now. So if you have any question, please just comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you learned something. I will share more of my journey in my next video. Bye bye for now.